pickup fans, let's take a look at this. Got a GMC here, 1949 GMC 5-window pickup. As you can see, great looking truck in the black and red combination. Nice original GMC style wheel covers on there. I'd consider this one a frame-on restoration. Has had a repaint, obviously. New wood put in the bed. We'll check out the interior. There's some cool original stuff on the interior I'll show you too that's been kept. So if you want a truck that has been restored, got a nice color combination to it, but still kind of holds that original look to it, here you go. This particular truck would be powered by an inline 6-cylinder. That'd come out to be a 3.7 liter. That is paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. If you want to check out the pictures, still pictures on this truck, so you can see underneath the hood, check out the engine bay, the underside of the truck, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, down below this video, click on the link you see there. That'll take you right to our website and the pictures. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This is the number we can be reached at. Paint on this truck, I would say, very nice. Good driver quality for sure. You can see the reflection of the lights in the ceiling. See, it's not full of chips, nicks, dings, scratches. Black is also in very nice shape. Has a good luster to it. Bright work, again, driver quality. I mean, not perfect by any means. Shows nice, but there are imperfections. You're going to see a little ding here. Must have picked up a rock along the way. There are some scuffs and some wear in the bumper, but overall shows well. Kind of gives it that stock appearance look. Not a trailer queen or like it had millions of dollars spent on it. Just that nice looking truck. You don't have to be afraid to take to any of your local shows, cruise-ins. Looks like once upon a time it was doing its job before it was restored to look this good. Nice running boards, and again, this is all steel. I did say it had a wood box, of course. Wood has been painted, so we kind of got that cool black and red combo carried over to the rear. And then, of course, here's your 5 windows. Made it easier viewing. Out the driver and passenger rear. And, of course, the 5 windows are the most popular out of these trucks from this era. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And, of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. Can definitely help you with the transportation on it. Again, 1949 GMC 5-window pickup. We're going to go ahead and start this up too so you can hear it. Just want to give you a little walk around so you take a little peek at all corners of it. Check it all out. And once again, you can do that on the still pictures. You want to take your time and look through it. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You want to discuss it, talk to a live person, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this truck. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, fire it up, check out the engine bay. Here's what I thought was so nice. So they repainted the dash, obviously, in here. Put in some new door panels. Matches nicely. Got the nice rubber floor mat in there, kind of the silver theme going on the inside. All looks great up through the headliner and everything, all in very nice shape. But yet, kept this kind of stock looking as far as the gauges. Just so cool. Got some patina to it. Kind of same thing with the steering wheel. But yet dressed it up and finished it off inside. But still keep a little of that old school truck look. Harkens back to the day when this truck was new or being used. Let's go ahead and start it up. Now, of course, we got the push start down on the floor. I don't know if I can get you to see that. There it is behind the key. I'm just going to turn the key on here a second. See how easily it starts? And of course, you got your choke and your throttle up there. Your lights over here and a brake release. That's about all we had back then. Ashtray. This one would have had, I believe it would have been an optional heater in it. I did have the fan spinning in that. It does sound like it could use a bearing, but there is the heater hoses were hooked up, and we'll check that when we get underneath the hood also. that runs. Go ahead and slip around to the back of this. Again, 4-speed manual transmission in it. Inline 6-cylinder, 3.7 liter. See how nice and smooth that runs. I'm going to slip around to the front. It's got a little heavier hood here. I'm going to pause this video a second and we'll check out that engine bay. Alright, look at this sweetheart. Nicely finished off underneath there. See how smooth that's running too. GMC inline 6. Burn like a kid. So there you go. Once again, you want to call us, talk to us about this, discuss this truck with a live person, 507-386-1726. Still pictures down below this video. Click on the link in the description, uniqueclassiccars.com. We can sure assist you with transportation. We do consider trades, and of course financing is available. 1949 GMC 5-window pickup. Give us a call.